Ma'am, which project? Punjab, ma'am,
Yes,
Punjab.
yes, beta, Punjab project.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am,
Good morning once again.
Punjab, you have not sent us the group.
Yes, I haven't sent. Now, today we are going to decide everything. I hope everything you've got to know already, that you have to relate whatever you are speaking on to a particular subject.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to relate that to a particular subject.
So, ma'am, today you will make the groups.
Yes, beta, I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to frame groups today.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
But this is a problem, na? Not all students are joining the class. So it's so difficult to frame groups. Now, whosoever is there today in 4th B, I want you to be regularly attending all the classes.
Okay, ma'am.
This is
I could not attend some classes because my mother is a government teacher and she goes to school.
Beta, but this project work is compulsory for all of you. You have to make it.
Ma'am, but I have, ma'am,
Send the video
ma'am,
also.
but I have make video and send it to you.
Yes, beta, you have sent it to me. I know that. But there are a few changes that will be.
Ma'am, Prasoon is chatting with himself only. But ma'am, the messages will come to everyone.
No, please don't do that. Varun, what did you speak on? You spoke on festivals of Punjab.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta,
Ma'am,
we
so I have to
are-
make some changes in it. I will make the video and send to you. Ma'am,
No,
I
now
have
wait.
the
Don't
video
send your
of
video.
Punjab.
Don't be in a hurry to send your video. Okay,
ma'am.
discuss with your teacher also, with your subject teacher. I'm just looking for the message. Just wait. What is to be done? Okay. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have to make this project like an art integrated project. Now what we are going to do is, suppose we are you all have chosen your topics, right? Let me talk about class 4th B. Now Adrika, suppose your topic is places and monuments. Okay, Adrika Johari's topic is places, monuments, and you can include rivers also in this. In this, you can include rivers also. Now, when you are speaking on the topic, this topic, you will show various pictures of places and monuments. You will tell about the rivers of Punjab. Now, you have to relate this topic to mathematics. How it can be related to it? You can talk about the depth of the rivers. You can talk about the length of the rivers, how long the rivers are. We have all these measurements in which subject? We have them in math, right? When you talk about the Jallianwala Bagh or this Golden Temple, the important places, you can talk about the area of that places. What you will do, you will include mathematics in your social studies work, isn't it?
Ma'am, but how to include the culture into the mathematics?
No, not mathematics. Now culture can be done in some other thing.
And ma'am, clothes is done in?
Clothes can be done. Okay, clothes, we can relate this clothes work with
English.
English, or you can take science also in between, because science we talk about fabrics and all, right? We talk about different things in science like cotton, jute.
Costumes.
Yes, beta, costumes also. I'm telling the same. Now you will not speak in between. Let me speak. First, let me tell you your groups and your topics, the ones you have chosen. Okay. Now, suppose 4th B. I'm just talking about 4th B right now. Summer is talking about food and languages, right, Summer? Everybody open your cameras first of all. Where is Summer gone? Has he left the class? No, Summer is there.
Ma'am, I will in what activity?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
in the project of Punjab, there are different things. So you can talk about culture. Imad, you can talk about the culture of Punjab. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Culture, and let's say the traditional things of Punjab. What all traditional things are used in Punjab? Then if you are relating, yes, tell.
Ma'am, so when we have taken the culture of Punjab, so ma'am, which subject we have to include in that?
You can talk about you can include socials as a subject. See which all subjects have to be integrated. The subjects which have to be included are maths, science, Hindi, English, and socials. So when we talk about maths, we can talk about the area, the length, the depth, the height of different things that we are talking about. When we are talking about science, we can talk about the nutrient value, the nutritional value, and the crops that are grown and different things. Okay? When we are talking about, let me finish. When we are talking about socials, we can leave the topic as it is, like talking about the historical importance of any culture, any religion. We can talk about the historical importance of any traditional thing. That will be what? That will be related to socials. And if you want to, if your subject, you have to relate it to Hindi or English, then you can talk about poetry, you can talk about drama, you can talk about something poetic and some rhymes and all in your project work. So this is what you have to do. Now, you had already chosen your subjects, you had already chosen your topics, right? Now, Pratishtha, suppose your topic was traditional things, religion of Punjab. Traditional things and religion of Punjab. So you will be confined to socials only. Okay? If anybody is speaking, suppose you are speaking on festivals of Punjab or you are speaking on the culture of Punjab. Now, what you can do, you can look for a little poetry in Hindi or in English. Okay, you will search on Google, you will get many things. You will get many ideas on YouTube. And then you can, taking that idea, you can make your presentation. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
One group will have 5 students, and all the 5 different subjects will be included in one presentation. One student is going to speak on what? Culture and traditional things, that will include social. One student will speak on the festivals of Punjab, that can be related to Hindi or English. You can add on some poetry. One student is going to speak on the food and languages, that can be related to science. One can speak on places, monuments, rivers, that can be related to maths. So like this, when all 5 students will make their presentation, all the 5 presentations will be merged together and one project will get ready then. Is that
you don't tell about costumes.
okay, ma'am? You don't know about costumes.
Festival.
Beta, you have to take Google in your hand, Anjali. If you want to know anything about costumes of Punjab, you have Google. You will Google, you will get so many things.
Costume which
Any costumes. What do people wear in Punjab? What all costumes do people wear?
mom wear kurta and pajama and
See, if we
ladies
talk
wear
about villages, if we go to the village areas, people wear turbans with kurtas and lungis. If you come to the city side, what do they wear? They have a different dress up. In some places, they wear Pathani suits. The men of that, the men of the state of Punjab. When you'll Google, beta, you will get a lot of information. So many
Yes,
new
ma'am.
you will get. You can collect pictures. You can take different pictures of different costumes. You can talk on the costumes of children. You can talk on the costumes of women. You can talk on the costumes of men. Then you can, yes.
Ma'am.
Only tell me in which group I am and what I have to speak on.
Okay, Riyansh, you were not here when we spoke about all this. Okay. So now you will see. Again, children, write down 5 things. Take a copy, social studies, take your social studies copy, and on it write down the 5 topics. The 5 topics are places, monuments, rivers of Punjab. First topic is this.
Ma'am, in our fair notebook.
Ma'am, I have chosen
On the
culture.
on the last page.
Ma'am,
Places,
places.
monuments, and rivers of Punjab. This is the first topic. Then the second is food and languages. The third topic is culture, traditional things, and religion.
Ma'am, food culture.
Beta, see in the chat box. I have written in the chat box. And Prasun, please, beta, don't type in between while I'm typing something.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what are you doing?
Adrika, what is the time to join the class?
Ma'am, it was because of the network issues.
Now, children, when we talk about the costumes of Punjab, what you can do is you can include the fabric that is used. You can include the embroidery that is done on these fabrics, the traditional things, costumes, fabric, and embroidery. And the fifth and the last topic is festivals and the kind of celebration. What kind of celebration do they have on festivals? Okay, so these are the 5 topics that you have to, any one of the topic you have to choose and speak on that. Some of you have already given me your names, just wait. Some of you already have given me your names. Now I will speak out the names of those children whose topics are selected. Okay. Adrika, Devansh Chaudhary, and Divyanshu are speaking on places, monuments, and rivers. Is that clear?
Ma'am, what is
You
the
say
last
yes.
topic?
Iram Nas, check your chat box. Adrika Johari, Devansh Chaudhary, and Divyanshu Dev. Is it okay? Your topic is places, monuments, and rivers of Punjab. Fine? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Adrika Johari has left. Okay, no, she's here. Fine. Then the next topic is food and languages. So in food and languages, I have Samar, Garv, and Anushka Sharma. Is that fine? Anushka Sharma, I am adding you in food and languages.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next topic is culture, traditional things, and religion of Punjab. In this, I have Swarnim, Imad, and Pratishtha.
Ma'am,
Fine.
I am also there. Yes, ma'am.
Iram, I'm talking about 4th B. You have a different section, no? I will come to 4th C after 4th B. Don't worry. Then we have the next topic, costumes, fabric, and embroidery. So there we have Anjali and Om.
Okay, ma'am.
The last topic is festivals and the kind of celebration. Vivek and Pratyusha Singh. Reyansh, you are left.
Ma'am, please add festivals and kind of celebration.
Okay, beta. I am putting your name there. Reyansh.
Ma'am,
In
it has to be a
festivals.
presentation.
It has to be what?
Ma'am, it has to be a PowerPoint presentation.
See, beta, you can have PowerPoint presentation along with you in the video. First, maybe you can initiate your video with starting with your introduction, and that I'm going to tell you about this. And then how you're going to tell, that can be a PowerPoint presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, any confusion to anyone? Have I left any child from 4th B? All are there? Okay. Now let's come on to 4th C. Yes. Now 4th C, ask whatever doubt you have.
Ma'am,
Yes, Varun.
ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
made
the
the
Rang is
video and
left.
sent it
Beta,
to you.
wait. Varun is speaking, no? Who started talking in between? Yes,
Ma'am,
Varun.
So, ma'am, I have to make that video again. With the
Varun, I will
changes.
watch your video once and then I will let you know if it is required to make it again. Okay?
Okay,
And
ma'am.
children, please don't hurry in sending your videos. You have to think about it. You have the deadline till 12th of January. Okay? You have time. Look for things. Seek for ideas if you want. Confirm your subject teachers. Ask your Hindi teacher, ma'am, how can I relate my topic to this language? Oh, how can this topic be related to any language and all? Ishika Patel, are you there in the class? Ishika Patel. Children, I am writing Ishika Patel's name in costumes. Costumes, fabric and embroidery. Please do let her know. I will also tell her, but you also will let her know. So now which groups do we have? Children, write down your group mates. The first group is formed, that includes Adrika, Garv, Imad, Pratyusha, and Anjali. Okay? Have you written 4th B?
Fine.
Then the second group that I have is, I have students Devansh Chaudhary, Samar, Swarnim, Om, and Vivek.
Ma'am, can you say?
Pratyusha and
Yes?
Ma'am, can you
Pratyusha and
The first group has got Adrika, Garv, Imad, Anjali, and Pratyusha. The second group has got students Vivek, Om, Swarnim, Samar, and Devansh. The third group has got students Devyanshu Dev, Anushka, Pratishtha, Ishika, and Reyansh. Is that
ma'am,
fine?
can you tell second group's name?
Second
Ma'am,
group,
please repeat slowly.
Samar, Devansh Chaudhary, Swarnim Avasthi, Om Agarwal, and Vivek Kumar Singh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I repeat?
No. Why do you want to repeat? You have written all the names, no?
Ma'am, can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
repeat third group?
Third group, Devyanshu Dev, Anushka Sharma, Pratishtha Singh, Ishika Patel, and Reyansh Tejpal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to talk to your group mates. You have to share your videos with each other, whatever you will make. You have to share your ideas and make your project the best. Okay. Try to make your project the best. Summer, you have to take the lead of your group. Okay. You have to talk to all these students. Fine.
Ma'am, can we make a group?
I have made your groups, beta. How do you want to make a WhatsApp group?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, of course you can. Now, this is how you're going to work. You will unite and work.
Ma'am, I will also talk to these children.
Yes, yes, definitely. And if you want, you can tell
Ma'am,
them
who
their
is the
topics
leader in
also.
this group?
You be the leader of your group, okay? And if you are the leader, don't
In first group, who is the leader?
beta wait. Okay, don't be like a boss. Be like a friend to everyone. Being a leader does not mean that you will decide everything. Okay, listen to your group mates, whatever they have to say. You can give them ideas so that your project comes out as the best project. Fine. You all have to work as a team.
Ma'am, can you tell the second group?
Beta, second group, see, all students are the leaders. All are the leaders.
Ma'am, in which
Second
group
group,
there is a lizard?
huh? What?
Ma'am, can you tell?
The names in the second group are Devansh Chaudhary, Samar, Om, and Vivek, and Swarnim. Samar, you are there with Om. So Om and you will be working together, okay? Taking everybody. Because Vivek, Swarnim, and Devansh Chaudhary do not attend their classes much. So you have to talk to them. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Now let me come to 4th C. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please tell fourth C team also.
Okay, 4th C. Now students listen. 4th C I have. Is there any student who is left? No, I think all of you have given your names. Adrika, even your name is there. So let me have from 4th C, the first group that goes is Dev, Ashwik, Hiramnas, Varin. Beta, first you all need to write your topics.
Time hai.
Ma'am, my topic is place, monument, and river of Punjab.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Ashwik,
my
what is
topic
your
is
topic?
culture.
Ma'am, our team is foods and languages.
One by one. Now 4th B students. You have to behave like how 4th C behaved while I was talking to you. Everybody just mute yourself. I'm talking to 4th C now. Dev, what is your topic? Places, monuments, and rivers.
Monument and rivers of Punjab.
Now mute yourself. Next, Ashwik. Ashwik is there in the class? Your topic is food and languages. Let Ashwik know his topic. Then we have Iram Naz is there in the class. Your topic is culture, traditional things of No, what is your topic, Iram?
Ma'am, my topic is culture, traditional things and religions.
Very nice. Culture, traditional things, and religion. Okay, then we have who else?
Ma'am,
Utsav. Utsav, what is your topic? No, not Utsav, not Utsav. Varin.
ma'am, I.
Yes. Varin, what
Ma'am,
is your topic? Festivals?
Ma'am, festival and the kind of celebration.
Okay. Now Lakshita. Lakshita is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, have you started doing your project?
Yes, ma'am.
What all have you done?
Ma'am, I have made a video and ma'am, tomorrow I will send it to you.
No, what is that video on? On which topic you have made the video?
Ma'am, traditional things.
You have made your video on traditional things. Okay, so let me put your name here, Lakshita. All right. And Abhimanyu Srivastav is there in the class?
Ma'am?
Abhimanyu Srivastav. No, he is not there. Okay, so I am putting Abhimanyu's name in the costumes of Punjab.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Who is in the first group? Ma'am, who children are in the first group?
Now in the first group, beta, I have Dev, Ashvik, Iram, Varin, and Abhimanyu. Is that fine?
Ma'am, Dev, Ashwik, Kiram, Varin, and Abhimanyu.
Abhimanyu. Okay.
Yes.
One
Ma'am,
group.
can I lead?
Ma'am, can I lead this
Ma'am,
group?
who is the leader of this
All are
group?
leaders. All are leaders. We all are teammates. You all are very smart that you can do your job the best in the best way. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So no one needs anybody's. We all need each other's contribution. Nobody wants anyone to lead. Okay. You all are your leaders. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
You all are friends. You all have to work as a great team. Next.
So, ma'am, we have to make a WhatsApp group also.
Yes.
In
Make a
that we will
WhatsApp
share
group.
our
Share your
videos.
videos
Ma'am,
with
I am
each other.
making. Ma'am, I am making an WhatsApp group.
Only one person will make, and all will be group admins. Okay. Don't make everybody the
Okay,
group
ma'am.
admin. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next group.
Now I can make all the group admin.
Next group, let me tell the next group. The next one is Jayesh, Prasun, Saif, Adrika. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Gunagya. Okay. Now, do you want to know everyone's topic in this group? Jayesh, there in the class. Jayesh, listen, beta. You can tell other students also what their topic is. Jayesh, your topic is places, monuments, and rivers. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Gunagya's topic
we
will be
have
food
to
and
send
language.
a video.
Adrika, please
Ma'am,
wait. Gunagya's topic is food and languages. Prasun's topic will be culture, traditional things, and religions of Punjab. And Saif Ali's topic is costumes, fabric, and embroidery. And Adrika's topic is festivals and the kind of celebration. Festivals and the kind of celebration. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
ma'am, in which topic I am there?
Ashvik, please wait. Gunagya, you are in food and languages. Yes, Adrika, what is your confusion?
Ma'am, we have to send a video of it.
You have to send a video of it, but first you have to make that video along with your friends. Each one will make a video of his or her topic. You will share your videos amongst each other. Then all your videos will be merged. Then a presentation will be ready. Your presentation will be merged along with your group mates' presentation, and then we will call that one project. Fine? Is that
Okay, ma'am.
fine?
Ma'am, I need. Ma'am, I have to make a group.
Ma'am,
I need Jayesh, Adrika, and Gunakya WhatsApp numbers.
You don't have.
No, ma'am.
Beta,
Ma'am,
it
I
is
have
in the
only
class
shared.
group. It is in the class group. Every
Okay,
student
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
on the WhatsApp group will write your name after your number.
Number. I can't make a WhatsApp group, ma'am. If they make, ma'am, I will not be there.
Why are you not on WhatsApp, Adrika?
No, ma'am, I am using mother's phone, and that's, ma'am, that's and on her phone, ma'am, that's where WhatsApp group. And ma'am, she is in Bareilly now, and ma'am, I am in Shahjahanpur. So, ma'am,
So beta, you can use some other phone, no? Tell me your number. I will get you added in 4th C. Do you have any number?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You will ask your number from anyone and let me know. Okay. Let your group mates know the number. Fine. so that you can be added. Next
Ma'am.
question.
Ma'am, I have made a
Ma'am.
group. Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
a number of all
ma'am,
of my group
ma'am, two
admins
students
and
have made
I
the
have
group.
made.
Ma'am, two students have made the group.
Children, what is this going on? Why two
Ma'am,
students
two
have made a
students.
group?
Ma'am, in my phone there are two groups.
Who made the group first, Varun?
Ma'am, first is made by Iram.
Join that group and leave another group. All of you will
Okay,
be
ma'am.
in Iram's group. Leave
And
another
ma'am, from fourth B, ma'am, I have written the participants. So ma'am, I will make the
And
group.
everyone
Ma'am,
in
can I
each
make-
group, listen children, in each group add me, because I'm going to see what you people are doing.
Okay, ma'am.
I have to be there in each group. Got it?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am adding.
Ma'am, can I make the group or second group?
Om, you are there in Summer's group, no? Summer has already made now. Then why do you want to make another group?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have added you.
Summer has not
Ma'am.
made.
Yes, Varun, say.
ma'am, ma'am, the video which I have sent it to you, ma'am, please tell that video is correct or not.
I will tell you, Varun. I can't watch the video right now. No? The class is going on.
Yes, ma'am.
I will let you know later.
Okay, ma'am.
The third group from 4th C is Rachit, Krishna, Lakshita, Utsav, and Anshuman. Fine. Anshuman is there in the class. Utsav is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Anshuman? Yes, Anshuman is also there, but he is not listening. He is not responding. So now I have all the three groups from both the sections.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
What is the third group?
Ma'am, what is the third group?
The third group is Rachit, Krishna, Lakshita, Utsav, Anshuman. All of you know your topics.
Ma'am, and in which
Yes,
group
ma'am.
I am there?
Gunagya, beta, you are in the second group. Your group members are Jayesh, Prasun, Saif, and Adrika.
Ma'am, I am not good. Ma'am, I am Kushagra.
Okay, you are Kushagra. Who is Gunagya? Gunagya is here in the class.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
If Gunagya is not here, I am putting Kushagra's name. Kushagra, you have to speak on the topic food and languages.
Okay, ma'am. Kushagra.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 students from 4th C have been finalized. 15 students from 4th B have been finalized. And 4th A is our chapter now. Okay, Agrim Verma. Who is Agrim Verma? Open your camera. Agrim Verma. Krishna Jaiswal. I've already taken your name. Agrim Verma is not listening to me. 4th C, right? Agrim Verma is in 4th C.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Divyang Premi is in 4th B. You have not been assigned any group. Huh? You don't want to be in any group, beta? While I'm saying the project is compulsory for all of you.
Ma'am, Ashik is my cousin brother, so he has come in my house. So, ma'am, can we say in one video only because we have printouts also?
No, beta, you will not be in one video. You have to work separately on your thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, my teammates, I have made
Ma'am, please
Ma'am,
kindly
who is in the ma'am, who children are in the third group?
Ma'am, I am in this topic.
Third group is Rachit, Krishna, Lakshita, Utsav, Anshuman. Who is asking the topic? Lakshita, are you asking the topic?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Krishna.
What is my topic?
Members.
Beta, please, I request all of you to write down your topic. Don't just sit in front of the camera. Write it on a piece of paper that what you have to do. I can't be telling you each time, Adrika, again and again your topic. Right now, I have told you your topic. You have to speak on festivals of Punjab and the kind of celebration. This is for the last time that I'm telling you your topic. Okay? Adrika, write down on a piece of paper. You are still looking into the camera. Write it in your copy what you have to speak on. Yes, Reyansh, what are you asking?
Ma'am, please kindly repeat the name of my group members.
Your group members are Reyansh, Ishika Patel, Pratishtha Singh, Anushka Sharma, Devyanshu Dev.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay? You want to know their topics also, beta?
No, ma'am, I know my topic. Ma'am,
No,
but
I'm asking you want to know your group members topic also?
yes, ma'am.
Ishika will be speaking on the costumes, fabric and embroidery. Topic number 4. Okay, write down topic number 4. And then later you can read what is 4th topic. Pratishtha's topic is culture, traditional things. Topic number 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Anushka's topic is topic number 2, food and languages. And Devyanshu Dev is topic number 1, places, monuments and rivers. Yes, Om, what do you want to ask?
Ma'am, can you say to someone he my second number because that phone has been lost.
Beta, you have your phone now. You can use your phone later on to tell Samar. Right? And you are also the group admin. Samar, have you made everyone the group admin?
Ma'am, I will make it later.
No, make it right now. When you have made the group right now, make everyone the group admin. And Om, you can add yourself later.
Not made it everyone admin.
Ma'am, I have not added.
Ma'am, Iram has not made it everyone admin.
Ma'am, I am making the group admin of everyone. Ma'am, I am making.
Okay. Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, what is the topic of SAF?
What is the topic of?
SAF.
SAF.
Yes, ma'am.
SAF's topic is costumes, embroidery and
Okay,
fabric.
Ma'am, please tell my topic places, monuments, my topic culture, traditions, religion.
Wherein your team members' topics are what are their topic? Where is Varin? Varin, ha. Abhimanyu will be speaking on costumes and embroidery.
Okay, ma'am.
Then I have Iramna speaking on culture and traditional things.
Okay, ma'am.
Costume and embroidery is topic number 4, right? Culture, traditional
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
is topic number 3. Second topic is
Yes,
food
ma'am.
and language, and first is places and monument. So
Yes,
Varin,
ma'am.
Dev Arya is speaking on topic number 1. Ashvik is speaking on topic number 2. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have made the you and all the children of my group admin.
Very good. Very good.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
listen, 4th B, I again have a period with you. So don't panic. In the next period, we can sort out our queries. Fine? 4th C,
Ma'am, I
do you
will
have
make
any
group-
query? 4th C.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, now whatever